Post templates will save you a tremendous amount of time when you're blogging. They take a little bit of time to set up, but once you have them, they're always there for you to use every day. I tend to use my templates at least once and usually several times in a day. It just makes things super quick. The Post Template plugin that I use is just called Post Template. This is the one, my favorite one. I used to have a different one, but it worked a little bit differently. So install your free plugin Post Template, and then once you have it installed, you'll see over in your dashboard, it'll give you your templates, and it'll give you options for your templates, your new post template and your new page template. I've never used new page template. I just tend to use posts. Now, the biggest tip that I can give you when creating your post templates is that everything in the template must be done in HTML. So I find it so much easier to go ahead and just create a new post with all the information that I'm going to want in my post template. That way I can do it in Visual Editor. That way I can have my image that I want, anything that I want to say before my post. This is what my post template actually looks like for my Farm Fresh matchup. So every time I do a Farm Fresh matchup, I go in and select this post template, and this is what it pulls up for me. And one thing when you're doing your post templates is you probably have a lot of the information you're going to want to use already in old posts, so you can go search for some of those things and copy and paste those in. So you can do an image, information that you want all your readers to know. I always try to include a link back. This has a shaded box that has a link back to all my Farm Fresh matchups, so just straight to my category. And I always like to put in capitals. This is where I'm going to add my printable list, or this is where I want to add my matchups, just so I know the format that I want to use. And that way it actually helps my VA know too how I want everything to be formatted. So once you have in your editor or new post editor how you want your template to look, go over to your HTML. You're just going to copy it all. And then you're going to go down and create a new post. And make sure you keep it on the HTML, the text link editor, or the text editor, because you cannot switch between visual and text in your creating your post templates. It makes it go all wonky. So just paste it. And I already know this is what I want it to look like. If you need to go add anything, you're going to need to add it in HTML form. One of the cool things you can do is you can title your what you're going to want each post to look like, the post title. So that'll come in there every time, and then once you add a new post, you can just add the dates in. Over here, you're going to name your post template. So I just have mine as Farm Fresh Deal, so I know where to find that. The categories, you can go ahead and pre-select your categories. So those will always appear. You can do your tags. You have to type in your tag. So make sure that it is exactly like your existing tags. If it's changed with an S or anything is different, it's going to actually create a new tag for you. So you can go do all that. Once you're ready, you're going to click Save It. And then you can see all of my templates that I have. I have them for all my store deals. I have them for the weekly, the monthly coupons, the All You, the Rite Aid video values. I have all those. I have my template set up for my Amazon deals. What else do I have? My Ibotta, my insert alerts, my Kindle freebies, magazines. Pretty much if I can create a template for it, I'm going to have one in there. So once you go in and you have all your templates created, you will add a new post when you're ready. I've never used the duplicate post. You can see where it would have tags, the category I selected, and if you need to edit your post once it's already created, make sure that you are already in the HTML, and then you can just click on the template name. So as you can see with my All You coupons, once I click a new post, it's going to bring me up to an edit a post, and all my information's already in there. So the only thing that I would need to do is change the title, and that's kind of the X's are in there for my VA so she knows where I want them. It already has a link back to my page where I have information on All You, and so the date would just get changed here, or the month would get changed. I've got my little blurb about what I want to say to All You. It tells my VA to add the coupons here so she knows how I want it to look, and you can see that it's already got my coupons category in there, and then I would just publish it like normal. So as you can see, all this work that would normally take me several minutes at least to do has already been done for me. So that's it. If you have any questions, just find me on Facebook.